You may have heard rumors that one-page websites are bad for SEO. Well, that's just not true, and I want to set the record straight. In this video, I'm going to show you how a smartly designed one-page website can actually boost your SEO and drive real results. So forget the myths of getting lost in the Google rankings and stick with me. By the end of this video, you're going to know how to turn your one-pager into a lead-generating machine that climbs the ranks of Google without sacrificing style or functionality. Hi there, I'm Alli, and I help entrepreneurs like you elevate your brand and online presence so that you can connect with your dream clients quickly and confidently and make more money in your business. If you're like many of the businesses that I talk to and work with, you might be facing what I call the one-page website dilemma. You want a simple, streamlined site, but you've heard whispers that it might not be so great for SEO. So I'm going to bust that myth wide open. The truth is, SEO isn't just for those really large multi-page websites. It's absolutely possible and highly effective to optimize a one-page website. You just need to know the smart SEO tactics that I'm about to share with you. These are the same strategies that I use with my one-on-one clients to turn their compact sites into client converting machines. All right, so let's get right into it and bust that myth that one-page websites are bad for SEO. It's just not true. In fact, one-page websites can be SEO powerhouses with all of your content on one page because you have the opportunity to create a streamlined and focused experience that both your visitors and Google will love. The trick really lies in how you structure your site and how you use these SEO tactics. So the first tactic that I want to talk about is your keyword strategy. In the case of a one-page website, you really need to focus your keywords on high impact quality keywords that you're going to go after on this one page. It's different than a multiple page site because each page of that site can use specific keywords. So this is really important that you do take some time and focus on the right keywords to bring people into your one-page site. Think about what keywords you could use to really define your business and what is your dream client going to go to Google and type into the search bar when they go looking for you. You want to get really specific here. So maybe it's bridal fitness training or eco-friendly interior design. Whatever it is, you're going to want to take your specific keywords and sprinkle them throughout the content on your site in a conversational and natural way. This laser focus on a single keyword is going to make your site hyper relevant to your audience. Now let's talk about on-page SEO. This is a great place for a one-page website to truly shine. On-page SEO is all about making sure that the content on your website, the words, the images, the links, are all structured and put together in a way that's easy for Google to find and understand. It's like giving your website the best possible chance to show up in the search results by really using the right words and making sure that everything's organized very neatly. You'll want to try to include your keywords inside of the main titles and headlines on your webpage. So inside of the main H1 tag, which is usually the largest heading on the page, and then throughout in the subheadings, the H2 and H3 level tags as well. And don't forget your meta title and description. This is your first impression in the search results, so make it count. You want to give searchers a reason to click over to your site, and this is your opportunity to do that. Even on a one-page website, content is king, so you want to make every word count. You want to break up your one page section by section into the different key areas of your business. A great trick is to use internal links inside of the text on the page to link from one section to the next. So as an example, you can lead users from your services section down to your testimonials section. Remember that you want to keep the content on your one pager concise. You don't want to have a super lengthy block of copy. Make sure it's easy to read and easy for your viewer to read and digest. A few powerful paragraphs are going to definitely outperform a long block of fluff. Now, I want to talk about technical SEO for a minute. That might sound scary, but don't worry, it's super easy, especially for a one-page website. The first thing to think about is your page load time, because the faster the site is loading in for your user, the happier they're going to be and the happier Google's going to be. Things like properly sizing your images or linking to videos that are embedded on video hosting platforms like YouTube or Vimeo are things that will greatly decrease the size of the page so that it loads more quickly. Next, hopefully you already know by now that your website absolutely has to be mobile friendly. This is not just so that your users have a great viewing experience, but Google also promotes mobile-friendly sites in their search results. You also need to use clear, descriptive file names and alt tags on your images so that Google knows exactly what your image is about. So rather than just pulling an image off of your camera and having it be titled img9042.jpg, you need to give it an actual name that describes the content of the image. For example, the file name of this image could be person typing laptop smartphone.jpg. And the alt text could be a person in a maroon sweater types on a laptop reviewing their small business digital strategy while holding a smartphone on a notepad on a wooden table. Now, while that may seem lengthy, Google is definitely going to know exactly what that image is about. And if you happen to be selling digital strategy for businesses, those keywords have been tucked inside that alt tag as well. Now, keep in mind, SEO is never a once and done type of thing. That's why we use tools like Google Analytics to monitor what is happening behind the scenes. Pay attention to what your viewers are doing. What pages are they looking at? How long are they staying on the site? Are they bouncing right off? If something's not working, tweak it, analyze it, keep going, keep monitoring it. The great thing about a one-pager is that it's really easy and quick to make adjustments as you go. So to wrap it up, a one-page website can absolutely thrive in a world of SEO. Don't believe otherwise. Your one-page website can be an absolute powerhouse when you use these strategies. Focus on those high-impact keywords and don't forget about your meta titles and descriptions and your alt tags on your images. Keep your content tight and focused and stay on top of your site's technical health. I've seen firsthand how powerful these sites can be for my clients, and that's why I created my one-page website in 1 day offer. It's designed to get your business up and running online fast. From strategic planning and branding to design and setup, it's all done to ensure that you launch with ease and confidence. So if you're ready to book your project, head over to doneforyouinaday.com to learn more and get started. And if you have any questions about my one-page website in 1 day offer, leave it in the comments below.